Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow an app access to your location settings on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher, search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. On the left panel, select apps. And then on the right side, select manage your apps. Locate the app that you want to allow location permissions for. And then underneath permissions, there should be a location item in here. Toggle it to the right to enable that to allow it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.